So I stopped to get the camera back out. Gone a little more than 2 miles, starting to get some nice scenery now. I had to ride on the road for a while, but it was the back roads. Did have one truck. Got my flag on. Okay, so I'm just going to hold the camera off to the side a little bit so you can see some of the nice scenery I'm going through. I'm not sure how far I am from the covered bridge, which is right near Van Foy's. I'm sure not going to go down that hill, though. Ooh, I need to shift. This is going too easy. Hang on. One nice thing about the there we go, is that with it being a tricycle with 3 wheels in front, I'm riding one-handed. Hey, look, Mom, no hands. Whoops, we got a little ticket on that one. Maybe not with my hands yet. But this is pretty good. Yeah, coming up to the covered bridge. Maybe not. There's the road coming up. We'll shift to the other side here a little bit. That looks like it's coming up to the 3-mile marker. Unfortunately, on the way back on the road, there's a hill. So I better not stay on too much longer if I hope to make it back in one piece. Let me switch to the right. And you can't see it. There's a creek down there. And somebody's kind of junky place. Anyway, I'm going back to straight ahead. And I'm going to shut her off till we get to the covered bridge.